TTYL stands for talk to you later. Then what does TTL stands for? Two truths and a lie. Classroom teaching can be monotonous at times. As educators, we must make our classroom sessions lively and full of fun. Today I am going to share a very interesting game with you that can be played with your students in the classroom, and you can incorporate it in your lesson plan as a part of revision or assessment. This game is called Two Truths and a Lie. For this game, you can choose any chapter. I have taken the chapter Water. For this game, you can divide the students into small groups as teams, or even students can play this game individually. You have to provide 3 statements to the students from the chapter. 2 of the statements will be true and 1 statement will be false, that is a lie. So the students have to identify the statement that is a lie. Let's play the game Two Truths and a Lie. Most of the water exists in oceans. We can live without water for a few days. Our earth is called the blue planet. So these are the 3 statements. Let's find out the lie here. Yes, the second statement, we can live without water for a few days, is a lie. Rain is a natural source of water. Factories use underground water. Use a shower instead of mug and bucket. Now let's see what is a lie. The lie is use a shower instead of mug and bucket. This is a lie because you will be wasting water. Use water sprinkler for irrigation. Dams check floods. Drinking unclean water causes diseases like malaria. So, now in this case, what is a lie? The lie is drinking unclean water causes diseases like malaria. Malaria is caused by the bite of mosquitoes and not by drinking unclean water. Filtration kills germs in water. Boiling is the most common method of water purification. Water can be purified by adding chlorine. Let's find out the lie. The lie is filtration kills germs in water. Filtration removes the solid particles and impurities but does not kill germs. So this is a lie. Hope you enjoyed this. Similarly, you can develop set of more statements to play this game.